Today I'm testing out Amazon's lowest rated slimes. These slimes had 2 or less stars, so let's see how they look and if I need to fix or return any of them. As always, if you guys enjoy our videos, make sure to leave a like and do subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting off, this package came in 2 days, which we love Amazon Prime. This first slime is Play-Doh Cloud. I honestly like the packaging on this one, but it looks like the slime kind of came half empty. It's unscented and it's supposed to be a cloud, but it feels more like an icy. It has a nice stretchy texture, but it feels like a jelly icy slime hybrid. Again, it's pretty nice, but it's not a cloud, so let's add some instant snow. Does anyone else love making cloud slime? I used to really not like it because it just takes so long, but the end result is always worth it. The drizzle is not the best, but it'll do. Now I'm adding dye so we can match the colors. And voila, it looks like a brand new slime. Which one would you guys rather have? My new and improved or Play-Doh Cloud's original? Next up we have a crazy art crazy slime. Some of the reviews showed pictures of this one coming in the mail totally melted and spilling all over furniture, but I'm gonna hope for the best. And what do you know, the reviews sometimes are right and it's definitely liquid. I tried to maybe collect it with my hands, but it's pretty much glue. So let's go ahead and add some activator. That should bring the slime back to brand new and it's basically fixed. As for the scent, it kind of smells like Flarp rubber. It's stretchy now, but it came from nothing, let me tell you. I definitely would not recommend this unless you're looking to just buy some glue. This next one is OKB's Slime Kit. As for the packaging, I really liked it, and it also came with a care sheet, which was really nice as well. The packaging on this felt so luxurious, and I loved the theme and add-ins. I feel like you can never go wrong with a honeycomb / bee slime. Not gonna lie, stretching it felt a little bit weird, but squishing it felt amazing. The jelly cubes are like the porous ones, so they're really squishy and crunchy. These are my favorite. This one was a little sticky, but I still like it. No fixing on this one in my opinion, and I'm just gonna keep it as is. So you guys let me know how I did, if you would have changed slimes in a different way or any other ideas, but make sure to leave a like and do subscribe. Again, we do have slimes in stock if you guys want to check them out. It'll be on our website at www.slimeshirtystore.com. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.